Papaitan natin. Oh. Sobrang lambot na yan, guys. Oh. Wow. So, yan. Yummy, yummy. Papaitan. Papaitan. Beef. This is beef. Beef recipe. Oh my God. Diba? Sobrang lambot, guys. See?